Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my mechanical software support. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how can you use the boundary surface inside SolidWorks surfaces. So without any delay in video, let's start with the video. Come to sketch and draw a straight slot. Choose a plane, make it normal. Draw a slot, smart dimension, assign the dimension 100, keep this radius 50, and exact sketch. Now we will create a plane. Come to feature reference geometry, and this time I will choose front plane. Assign the distance 100 and say OK. Now I will choose this plane, sketch on it and make it normal. Draw a circle, dimension this circle 70, exact sketch. Now let me hide this plane. Now come to surfaces and come to boundary surface. Select both of the profiles. See, let me drag this point up to here. And see what's happening by dragging the green points. Come here and make it normal to profile. This one also normal to profile. Now see. Come here. You can assign the radius of curvature from here if you want to. See? And say OK. Let me assign some color. Select the body. Come to appearance. And this time let me choose a solid color, red for now. So hopefully you understand. I hope you like this video. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.